standing tall over the River Thames. This is Tower Bridge, one of London's most iconic landmarks. A true masterpiece of Victorian engineering, this bridge has connected the city since 1894. With its twin towers, majestic suspension, and glass-floored walkways. Tower Bridge is more than just a crossing. It's a symbol of London. At sunrise, witness the bridge bathed in golden light. At night, it glows brilliantly, reflecting off the Thames, creating a breathtaking skyline. Visitors can walk the high-level walkways for unbeatable panoramic views of London. And if you're lucky, you might see the bridge lifting for passing ships, a sight to behold. A must-visit for every traveler. Tower Bridge stands as a perfect blend of history, architecture, and innovation.